guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the classic pink and white French manicure look using Kiara Sky Dip Powder. So we are starting off by pushing back my cuticles with my cuticle pusher, and I'm also cleaning all the dead skin from around my cuticles. We should not skip this step since it helps in preventing lifting of the nail. Next, I'm using a 100/180 grit nail file. I'm using the 180 grit side to buff away any natural shine from my nails in preparation for my tips and dip powder. So I'm just wiping off my nails with some alcohol pads, just taking off all the dust from my nails now. And the tips I'll be using, well, I cannot remember the name of it, but I size my fingers for the tips, ensuring that the tips fit perfectly to my nails. Never go a size down, because that leads to air pockets, which leads to lifting. Okay, I tried that before and shit happened. Anyway, I'm now trimming my tips to the desired length. I decided to go on a medium length square nail for this look. That's the classic look, I guess. So now I'm moving on to shaping my nails further. I filed the sides of the nails to make it a little more narrow, so when I apply my dip powder, they don't look too bulky. I'm also filing the top of the tips to remove any shine. And I'm also smoothing out the ridge between my tip and my natural nails so that it blends seamlessly and prevents an uneven dip application. It also helps the base to grip into the tips better. It actually takes a while for me to file these nails, because using my non-dominant hand here, so I'm a right-hander, so I'm basically using my right hand to file. The left hand is just there with the nail file, I guess. As you all know, I'll be using the Kiara Sky French Starter Kit today. I purchased my kit off of Amazon. This kit comes with a very detailed instruction pamphlet, comes with extra brushes and the dip case. It also comes with 6 bottles and 5 jars of powder. The first bottle is the bond. The bond is the first step in the system and ensures that the nail is dehydrated and all the layers stay in place. The second step is the base, which is basically a glue that adheres the powder to the area it is applied. The third step is a seal protect, that is an acrylic nail sealer which hardens the powder and seals all the coats before filing and buffing. The fourth step is a top coat. And the fifth step is cuticle oil. And lastly, we have a bottle of brush saver, which is used to clean the brushes between application. The powders you get in the kit are shades Natural, Pure White, Light Pink, Medium Pink, and Dark Pink. So the first thing I'm doing is taking the bond and applying it to my natural nails only. This ensures that my nails are dehydrated in preparation for the base. I'm prepping the powder by turning the jar upside down and then backwards slowly. This helps the acrylic to break apart and ensure an easier dip application. So now I'm preparing my French dip case by pouring the white powder evenly across. If you're looking for a straight line on your French dip, use the deeper end of the case. But if you're looking for a curved French, use the shallow end, which I'll be using. So next I'm using my base and I'm applying the base across the connecting line between my tip and my natural nail to create structure. And then I'm dipping it into the pink dip powder at a 45-degree angle and I let it sit there for a few seconds. I take it out, tap off the excess back into the jar, and I do this for all of my nails. Then I brush off whatever is left with the brush. Next I apply the base to a little more than 3/4 of the nails. Then I quickly dip it into the pink powder at a 45-degree angle, tap off the excess and continue on to my other nails. This is done to build the nail and make it even. Once I'm finished with all my nails, I dust off the excess as usual. By the way, I'm using pure white and dark pink, if you all didn't know. And my base finished on me, that's why I am using now the IBD nail glue. So I go back in now and apply base to the entire nail, ensuring to stay a hairline away from the cuticle area. Now I'm using the French dip case. I slowly dip into the white to achieve the French line that I want. Be careful while doing it though, and do it slowly in order to achieve the line that you want. Tap off the excess and then afterwards just dip it into the dark pink immediately. So now apply base to the entire nail again. Dip it into the white powder to get a prominent smile line and tap off, then immediately dip into the pink. I remove excess dust. I do this for all the nails. So now it's time for Seal Protect. This hardens the powder. Push it. No. Now I use clear acrylic to encapsulate the French dip. Okay, I need to do this so that when I'm filing, I do not take off chunks of the French dip. So now it's time for the Seal Protect. This hardened the powder and seal all the coats I just applied so that I could move on to filing and buffing. Be generous with the amount of Seal Protect that you use because it ensures that the nails are hardened. I usually wait about 5 minutes before I start filing. So next I'm filing and buffing the surface of the nail to ensure a smooth and even surface. I also file the side walls to give it a nice tapered square look. After doing my hand file, I went in with my e-file also around the cuticle area to make sure it's nice and flush. So this is after filing and buffing, and now I apply Seal Protect for a second time. This would help the top coat to dry and stick together. I'm using a lint-free cloth to wipe down the Seal Protect to ensure it spreads evenly across the nail. And now I apply top coat to the nail and let it air dry. Then I apply top coat again and let it air dry. Now I use my nourishing oil to nourish my cuticles from all the filing and buffing that was done. And this is the finished look. Hope you like. Bye guys!